You have been victim of rape or sexual harassment, experienced burnout, gone through a painful divorce, a non-consolable heartbreak, a relationship with a toxic person, an accident, or a terrorist attack, either recently or in the past. Despite engaging in therapy, these post-traumatic memories continue to linger, affecting your daily life. You are seeking a way to overcome these challenges and regain peace of mind. I'm Marjorie, an Ayurveda consultant, and along with Penelope Ziri, one of the best yoga teachers that I have the privilege to meet, we have created My Peace Retreat, a unique, all-inclusive 5-day getaway designed to help ease your traumas. There is only one session available in July, with just 10 spots open. If you are looking to treat yourself to the best possible care, this 5-day transformation retreat for healing trauma is tailor-made for you. A fantastic team of professionals will ensure that these 5 days are worthwhile, helping you to stop ruminating on the past and move forward with joy and happiness.